Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are, over 30 days into quarantine now, and my eyelash extensions are officially gone. I think I have one left on this side, but you know what? I really miss them. It's something that I love, is having my lashes. I feel like they make my eyes look just more feminine and girly, and I love the way they look because then I feel like I don't have to wear as much makeup because my eyes just like stand out. So it's become so weird for me to see myself without them because I've had them for so many years now. I've taken breaks like here and there for a couple weeks, so this will be nice to kind of give my lashes a break. But the reason why I love them is because my lashes they're actually pretty long and they're pretty thick, but they just point down. And even if I curl them, the curl will only hold for a couple minutes and then they go right down. So I don't even use them for the length. I really use them for the curl. But I thought we could try something. I've been getting some DMs on Instagram of you guys being like, so do you have any tips? Do you have any products? Like, what are we all gonna do about our lashes? So I was trying to think about like what I could do, what I could share with you guys, and I remembered what I used to use when I would do people's makeup. So if you guys did not know, I used to do eyebrows and eyelashes for benefit. I worked at Ulta. I had a lot of different jobs before I did YouTube in the beauty industry, but that was one of them. And one of the services we would offer were like individual lashes, and we would always recommend that they would last for like the weekend. So if you kind of wanted, like, maybe you had a wedding rehearsal and then wedding day and then brunch after, like that'd kind of be perfect because they could last like maybe up to a week, we'd usually say. And some people would like come in every 2 weeks and they'd get them to last 2 weeks. I don't know how they would do that because whenever I did, they only lasted like 1 or 2 days on me. But I figured, why not try, just have fun. Not recommending this to you guys. I'm not saying that it's gonna be your lash extensions for the time being, but if you just wanna put lashes on and hope that they last more than just the night, and try to get them to last for a couple days, we can try it. So I don't know if this is the exact adhesive we would use because they just like, no, this is it. Ardell Lash Tight Dark Adhesive. So this is made specifically for the individual lashes. So I got this on the Ardell website. This is like bringing me back to old memories. And then let's see, I picked up the 3D individuals in the long black. These are really pretty, really fluffy. I picked up the triple individuals, not free, in short black. I don't remember buying short, but and then I also picked up the 3D individuals, and these come in short, medium, and long. So I have nothing on my eyes right now. I do have my little 1-minute makeup routine on, so it's just some concealer and some cream blush, but I have nothing like on my eyes or around my eyes. They're completely clean. As far as tools go, you're just gonna need some tweezers. That's pretty much it. If you have a spoolie or a lash brush, that might be helpful, but I only have the back of my brow brush right here. So let's see, what am I gonna start with? I'm gonna start with this pack, the 3D individuals, because it has the short, medium, and long. Maybe this will be all that I need. So let's try this first. I haven't even like put a strip lash on my eye in years. I've just been so used to getting lashes that I feel like a total beginner at this. Just gonna put a little bit of the glue. I'm gonna take my tweezers and I'm gonna actually go ahead and take a couple off of them, but leave off of the package, but leave them there, if that makes sense. Like, I'm just gonna take them off and then set them right back, because they are like attached, and this helps when you're doing it if they're already taken off. So I like to pick them up kind of upside down like that so I can just lay them on top of my lashes. So it's gonna take a little bit of messing around to see like how you wanna hold the tweezers and what feels most comfortable. Someone else versus doing it on yourself is just totally different. So all I'm doing is gently laying it down on my lashes. This glue is meant to be glued actually onto your lashes, not onto your skin. So that is what I'm doing. And I'm just kind of like dipping it in just as little glue as possible. curly, but they do kind of flare out my eye a little bit and give it that darkness that I like, but they're just not very curly. But that could just be like the lashes that I'm using. These are really, really wispy lashes. And then like if you compare the two, you can see these are a little more uniform and these are really wispy. So I think the uniform might actually be better just in terms of doing it on your own. Whereas this, like the little wispy ones, might be pretty if you are doing a full face of makeup and you just want to add a couple to the outer corner of your eye, you know, but I feel like kind of on its own, it's like looking a little sloppy. Still better than nothing though. I would go ahead and do the other ones on the other eye, but I feel like if these last, I kind of want to make them the same. So this is how much I used, about half of the long ones, a couple medium, and a little bit more of the short. Let's see if we can make them look the same on the other side, who knows. And then I guess maybe I'll keep you guys updated if they last longer than through the night. I think the key would be to just be like really gentle around your eyes. So I'm getting a little more glue because this glue does dry pretty fast. So make sure you put the cap back on. Now I used to with a strip lash, like I'd kind of go in and pinch the sides and stuff, but I don't want to do these because I don't want them to move at all, and because I don't have too many, I don't want to like accidentally lift one up and move it. It is kind of hard to see since you're placing it on your lashes and not your skin, and the lashes themselves are already black. It can be kind of hard to see what you're doing. So I'm not pinching them together. I'm just lightly placing them on my lashes and then hoping that the glue will help it stick. If I need to, I'll kind of tap down, but I'm not gonna like go in and pinch until the end. Maybe I will at the end when I know it's dry. Okay, I only have 2 more longs in this pack. I can always open up another pack. I think I might try to put a couple on my mom because I think it'd be easier to do it on somebody else. And I just need her to learn how to do it onto me. Oh, no, I have 1 more whole row of longs. Okay, I didn't realize that. So I think I'm good here. So what I've done so far is I kept the longs kind of on the outer corner to kind of get that cat eye shape. And then I do a couple mediums in the middle and then a couple shorts on the inner corner. I'm not really gonna go all the way in the inner corner. I only went to like the edge of my pupil just because that can kind of get uncomfortable, especially with these since they're so like splayed out. I don't want them to like poke me in the inner corner of my eye or anything. So you don't need that many because these are really thick. My one actual lash extension is so much longer than all of these, so it kind of sticks out. Do 1 more short in the very inner corner, and then I think I'm done. Okay, so I went ahead and looked in like my big full-length mirror or go in your bathroom mirror. That's what I would do, is like do it up close with like your little hand mirror, but then make sure you look in kind of like a big mirror and see how it looks on your face. I think they look pretty good. I mean, I'm fine with the way they look. They're not perfect. They're not exactly how I love them, but I think that the effect is there. And that's what I love about lashes. Like, I just kind of love the illusion, how it makes my eyes look bigger and more elongated and more lifted and less hooded. Like, I like that illusion. It's not that I love the lashes, I love the illusion that it makes my eyes look a little bit different. So that's what I was going for with these lashes. I just wanted to look just a little more feminine, you know? And I feel like I'm happy with the way they look. I think the lashes that I normally get are obviously a lot more in depth, a lot more detailed, and they're a lot curlier, but this still makes me feel so much better. Oh my God. Like, I feel like myself again. Isn't that funny? Like, I feel normal again. I'm trying to bring out my phone so I can see kind of like selfie mirror. They look so good. They'll probably only last like another hour and then they'll be gone, but hopefully I can get them to last a couple days. If I could get them to last a couple days, that'd be amazing. So I recommend, if you are gonna try this out, don't have super high hopes. It's not like it's very expensive. The lashes are only a couple dollars, the adhesive is only a couple dollars, but you know, it's just, I wanted something. I don't know if this is gonna be something that I'm gonna do every week, but I mean, I've got nothing but time right now. I wanna film some videos for you guys. So I tried it out. What I'm gonna do to try to get them to last a long time is basically what I do when I have my lash extensions on. I don't sleep. I've gotten so good at it. I can sleep on my side because that's just how I want to sleep, is on my side. That's how I sleep the best. But my face doesn't actually touch the pillow. So only from here back actually touches the pillow. That's how I sleep at night. If you can't sleep like that, then just sleep on your back. But try to not smush your lashes. That'll get rid of them in a second. Also, when I'm washing my face, I just go around. I'm very gentle. I kind of go like up to the lash line on the bottom and then like to my brows. And I'm just very, very gentle with actually washing my eyes. So what I'll do is what I normally do, and I'm very, very gentle around that area. I won't use any makeup and I won't use any makeup remover that way either. So just being very gentle around my eyes. Hopefully I can get these to last a couple days. That'd be amazing. I would have no problem spending 20, 25 minutes doing these like every couple of days. I'm not gonna do it forever, but for filming, I feel like it looks pretty good. I'm happy about this. So, hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me this afternoon, putting on some fake lashes. I will link everything I use down below so you guys can check it out. I'll keep you updated on Instagram stories with kind of the wear test and the review on that. But give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys later. Bye.